สวัสดีค่ะคุณผู้ชมทุกท่าน Hi everyone, I'm V from Paint and Hiding. In light of Roman Szmal's recently released colors this year, I've had a few requests to do a pigment comparison video. So if you don't yet know already, Roman Szmal is a Polish brand of watercolors that has, I think, around 200 colors now in their range. It's a lot of colors, and a few months ago, they recently added 20 new colors. One of those was this phthalo blue turquoise shade made with PB15:4, which happens to be the same pigment used in this Maimeri blue's phthalo turquoise. I've actually featured this Maimeri blue color in my PB16 phthalo turquoise alternatives video. I'll link that for you down below. And several of you remembered that, subsequently requesting this comparison video. Apart from swatching the two colors with PB15:4, I'll also be swatching two other colors off to the sides there as points of reference. This first one is Migelo's PB15:3, which is essentially our typical phthalo blue-green shade, commonly found in most watercolor sets. And then here we have Roman Szmal's PB15:4. I honestly can't tell much of a difference between these first two swatches. Unfortunately, I don't have Roman Szmal's phthalo blue-green shade, made with PB15:3, to compare, so I could only wonder how much of a difference there is between that and this new color. And then we have Maimeri Blue's PB15:4. You can see right away that there is a very clear and obvious difference. Maimeri Blue's is much more green-leaning. Both colors are equally transparent, staining, and non-granulating, but the only difference is the hue. And then the last one on the right there is Holbein's Marine Blue, made with PB16, which is your typical phthalo turquoise pigment. I've chosen to swatch this in the video to show you that Maimeri Blues is even more green than our typical PB16s. I just find it so fascinating how pigments with the same color index can vary so much in hue. Here are the swatches after completely drying. Not much drying shift across the board. I normally don't have phthalo blue-green shades in my palettes, but I decided to add this Roman Szmal PB15:4 to my Roman Szmal palette to test it out. See how I like it and whether or not I'll gravitate to it more often. I hope this has been helpful for those that requested this. Do let me know down in the comments which one is your favorite or which one you're most intrigued by. Since we're in the holiday season, I thought I'd add this at the end here of what Christmas in Thailand looks like. My family sadly doesn't celebrate Christmas, but I always like to look at all the decorations various places put up. This one here is a huge Christmas tree, probably about 5 to 6 stories high, in a department store that I stopped by to run errands. I wish I could have one at home too, but it's okay. It makes me happy enough feeling the festivities in the air. As always, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.